Here's the unboxing for the Snoop Dogg belt. What's up, everyone? There's a lot of hype going on with the WrestleMania 40 golden title belt. I'm here gonna show you today last year's WrestleMania Snoop Dogg golden title belt. I have the WrestleMania 40 coming, but I want to show you this one first. So these were numbered 39 of them, so I got number 21. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys this beauty. Here's the bag. It's a nice velvet bag, dust cover, whatever you want to call it. I love it. Says WrestleMania Snoop Dogg. Let's open it up. So guys, this is like literally still wrapped in plastic. I've been debating if opening it or not, taking all the plastics off. There it is, number 21 out of 30. Look at that design, sick. There it is.
I think you could go a little sneak peek this way.
Let's do it. Let's take it out.
You're gonna take it out? You're gonna do it? This hurts my soul a little.
Here's the unboxing for the Snoop Dogg belt.
Okay, let's go for it. Oh man.
I have my wife assisting me today.
Yeah. Snoop Doggy D-O-G-G. Alright.
The dog father. Here is a better look at this bad boy. Look at the green details. They're awesome. Dog father of them all. I'll be comparing this one to the new 40th one coming in, so here's a better look at the back without the plastic. Authentic patches. There it is. 21 out of 39. Golden title. If you like this review, please subscribe for more. Have a whole bunch of belts I'm gonna go ahead and do reviews on them.